lots of quality control here at Sling, I'm pleased to say. And after we finished the skeleton of the horizontal stabilizer, we had that inspected, and that passed inspection, got signed off. And then we put the clecos in, and then that was inspected, and that got signed approval. Then we riveted, and then after we finished the riveting, one side, that got inspected. And then we finished it up, and that got inspected again. So lots of eyes are on this, making sure that we didn't miss anything, didn't put any of the wrong rivets in any of the holes, and that we cut all the ribs and everything else. So I'm very proud.
The reason we did so many inspections in the beginning was just number one, for Linda's confidence. Number two, just to work out, we did the horizontal and then the elevator. And the elevator is quite a hard one to get lined up. So we did a whole bunch of extra inspections with some of the guys who are in the factory that would normally build the parts. And Linda was smiling, and Linda understood what she had to do from there, and off she went, and look what she's achieved now.